Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today here. My name is Luke Wilson. I am one of our admission counselors here at the Massachusetts College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. With me is one of my colleagues from our financial aid office, Felicia Sorrentino. Felicia, you mind introducing yourself?
Hi, everyone. I'm Felicia Sorrentino. I'm Senior Associate Director here, Student Financial Services at MCPHS University. Just want to welcome you all.
Thank you so much. And today we're talking financial aid, specifically FAFSA stuff. We want to make sure we get this stuff done as soon as possible. So starting with submitting the FAFSA, we want to get that done as soon as possible. Felicia, take it away.
Yes, get that done as soon as possible. It's still available. It's not too late. You want to make sure you have your FSA ID. It's very easy, and you would apply on studentaid.gov. Once you do that, just make sure you put our school code on there, 002165, and that will ensure that we receive your FAFSA application. Luke, do you want to talk about the importance of submitting your FAFSA?
Yeah, certainly. So the FAFSA is what qualifies you for additional pieces beyond your merit scholarship to help make the education more affordable. These are grant programs that you can receive. That could be coming from us as the institution. That could be coming from the federal government. If you're a local student living in Massachusetts, you may qualify for state-based grants as well. In addition to that, you could qualify for work study programs. Work study is a budget that allows you to get easily attainable employment on campus. And then in addition to that, you're going to be offered federal loan programs as well. Those loans are optional, but they are something worth looking into because they're direct student loans. They're more or less already approved. It's your choice if you wish to take them or not, and it can help manage the cost of the education as well. So beyond that, I think it's important to understand that those pieces can play a really vital role in making sure that your education is going to be affordable, not just now, but in the long term when you're looking at the cost of your education. Now, after you file that FAFSA, there are processes to figure out what these are and where to see it. So Felicia, do you mind touching on those pieces?
Yes, absolutely. So once you have filed your FAFSA and the university has received your application, we will review your application for what you're eligible for in terms of a financial aid award, and we'll send you an email with your username and password to what's called the self-service portal. And on the self-service portal, you will be able to access electronically your financial aid award.
Wonderful. Now, once you have that financial aid award, it's imperative that you take the time to speak with us and make sure you understand everything clearly. We run through appointments to do that directly, one-on-one with students and families. I generally advise students to loop their family into the process. Don't do that meeting just by yourself as a student. Having a second pair of eyes and ears in that meeting can be really helpful for you to make sure you retain everything, but also we're always going to be available to help answer questions along the way too. Now, when this is all said and done, it's important to understand that your education is an investment in the long term. And for us, Massachusetts College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, routinely, we're listed among the best schools in the nation when it comes to the return on that investment. Whether that means you are going to be earning very solid salary long-term for your career, whether that means it's putting you in the right place to get to your next goal. If that's not going right into your career with your bachelor's degree, if that means you're pursuing a graduate degree, or if you're pursuing a medical degree to some extent or something along those lines, we want to make sure we're starting off on the right foot there. And that's where I encourage students and families to look us up on the college scorecard. That's an excellent resource. It essentially is organized through the Department of Education. It's giving real output of what student outcomes are there. Our student body, 10 years after first stepping foot on campus, their median salary is at $126,000. I think it's important as part of these next steps. That meeting is one piece of it, but there are other things you want to keep in mind here. We do have our deposit deadline for our incoming freshman class on May 1st. So to Felicia's point from earlier on in this meeting, get the FAFSA done now. Let's have these conversations now. Let's make sure, A, we're an affordable option, and then B, we have time to take these next steps to make sure it makes sense. If you're an incoming freshman and you're planning to live on campus, there is incentive to get your deposit submitted earlier. We place students into housing based on first deposit gets placed in first, second place second, and so on down the line. So it's first come, first serve in that regard. So again, if you have a particular place you want to live in housing, you might want to push and get stuff done a little bit quicker for yourself here. Now, if you are a transfer or a graduate student that is watching this, please note that your deposit deadline may be different from what I just mentioned. So you want to make sure you check your admission information, your admission letter, and you want to make sure you contact your specific admission counselor to go over what those deposit deadlines are. Felicia, what other next steps have I missed that I haven't mentioned yet? Did I get them all?
I think you got them all.
All right, wonderful. There will be other things that come up later on over the summer. We'll have other updates beyond just financial aid stuff. So certainly keep in touch with us. The biggest thing I stress at this phase of the year is if you're confused, if you're nervous about something, please reach out and ask us questions. If you're looking to reach out to the admission office by email, it's very simple. It's admissions@mcphs.edu. If you wish to give us a phone call, you can call us directly at 617-732-2850. Now, if they're more financial aid focused, Felicia, who do they want to contact for financial aid stuff?
Yes, so you can contact us by email. It's Student Financial Services or sfs@mcphs.edu, or you can give us a call at 617-732-2864.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today. One other piece to note here. There are resources listed in the description for this video that we're making here as far as helping you find things and basic FAQs around FAFSA and getting stuff done here. So certainly use that as a resource for you while you get stuff done. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful time, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon.
Thanks, everyone.